An innovative course called Social Interaction is being offered at an Austrian University of Applied Sciences. This presentation highlights the concept and first experiences with this approach. The paper Initiating a Study Program, Co-Creative Learning through Cross-Cultural Engagement describes in detail the framework of this lecture. It is part of the bachelor's program Technical Sales and Marketing and aims to develop social skills. The course Social Interaction pursues the goal of fostering co-creative learning through cross-cultural interaction. This is achieved through the active collaboration of students and the lecturer team. The didactic approach combines traditional teaching with a practical charity project and continuous reflection. This triad enables a holistic learning experience. Besides social skills, the focus is on sales, marketing, and project management skills. The foundation of the course is experiential learning, the root of which is learning by doing, developed by John Dewey. Through active doing and experiencing, students and lecturers are confronted with real-life challenges. The mutual coping of the challenges provides learning via reflection. An important aspect of the didactics is the understanding that culture is embodied in individuals. Intercultural learning is thus made possible through shared reflected experiences, not only indigenous culture, which is easy for us to be seen as culture on its own, but also rather common, hence harder to detect contemporary culture is embodied. The social interaction course is anchored in the social skills module of the bachelor's program Technical Sales and Marketing. It integrates aspects of sales, marketing, and corporate social responsibility. The core task of the course is a charity project. The students take on the task of initiating and implementing a practical charity project for fundraising. This is done within a cooperation with the Neunerhaus, a charity for homeless people in Vienna. Regarding content, the focus is on practical skills in sales, marketing, and project management. Within the project, students gain practical experience in those areas. Lecturers act in different roles as coaches, authorities, experts, and also as learners. This diversity of roles shapes the learning environment and shows the ambiguity of roles always present in a complex environment. The theoretical foundation of the course is based on intervention science, German Interventionswissenschaft. It's about experiencing situations and reflecting on their meaning. The historical roots are in Gestalt theory, hence the picture puzzle that shows a practical example of Gestalt theory. Reflection is the key to gain shared understanding. Facilitated group reflection plays a central role in addressing the different perceptions of the students and lecturers and developing a shared understanding. The paper presents insights through vignettes, which are short examples of real course moments. Vignettes from everyday course life illustrate aspects such as team formation, communication difficulties, and peer evaluation. At the beginning of the course, the name game developed by Hofstede et al. Is used to reflect on cultural differences and identity issues and to foster an open team atmosphere. Different points of view, always present in new formed groups, lead to misunderstandings that only become apparent in hindsight. No teaching can resolve such misunderstandings. The only solution is mutual experience and reflection. Learning is therefore about the ability to observe, give feedback, and reflect on each other. Ella asked Jonah, how difficult is it to change the text in the video? Jonah responded, it's quite difficult because the responsible team member works full time. That answer in turn triggered anger in Anna. Anna was focused on the factual level and Jonah's descriptions were not appropriate for her. Ella's question was irrelevant to her, and it was only in Anna's reflection that she realized that Jonah was referring to Ella's question. Different perceptions led to emotional reactions. The peer evaluation using a fishbowl discussion allows for an assessment of participants by their fellow students and promotes reflection on one's own role. The experiences from the peer evaluation show the subjectivity of such assessments and the importance of reflecting on group dynamics and the distribution of work. The learning happens by reflecting the experiences. The complexity of the course is also reflected in the involvement of multiple lecturers with different areas of expertise. Monsberger, a sales expert, Schuster, a group dynamics expert, Kaspar, a marketing expert, and Lobnig, an organizational development expert. Ultimately, the course Social Interaction aims to prepare students for complex and uncertain professional situations. This is done through the development of practical skills, self-reflection, and intercultural competencies.